Day 2, part 3, Ford Ranger, wheel arch repair, driver's side. So continuing on, I put some blue painter's tape here, and I created a patch of the actual hole. So like I said, I'm still refining my process, and so that's the hole. If you might have saw in part 2. Now I'm going to take this. This is just me thinking here. There might be a better way, an easier way. Who knows? And I'm going to take this here. I'm going to transfer this tape. And it's just a template, roughly. I'm going to put this right here on this piece of cardboard. And I'm gonna cut out a excuse me. And then I'm gonna cut out the patch. If I can. Probably be easier if I had scissors, but that I do not have at the moment. Then I'm going to put this on my metal and go from there. So you're not seeing much here. There we go. Alright. So, if you're still with me, this is the templated piece. This is the hole. That's the corrupted metal. There's the inner pin. There is the hole behind here. This is an inner fender. Well, I'm just going to create a small little piece, and I'll mock it up before I weld it, and I'll show you. So I'm going to work outside in. I'll let you know in a moment how I'm going to do both pieces. Alright, so that's that. Alright. Alright, I'll be back here with the Alright, so anyway, I'll be back here with the patch.